Firstly, distinguish the two sets of wires by color, corresponding to the two motors. Name them RE, RR, BE, BR. Their corresponding terminals are as follows. First, connect one end of the B1 line to the electrical control cabinet. Distinguished by the color of the thread ends. Remove the fixing screws. In the video, the red wire end corresponds to the red end for connection, blue corresponds to green, black corresponds to yellow. Connect the B2 line in the same way. The electrical control cabinet end of group B line has been connected. Using the same procedure, connect the R1 and R2 wires to the electrical control cabinet. Arriving at the motor end, at the other end of the R line, distinguish R1 and R2, connect motor 9.1. Remove the metal sheet from the motor. Remember the corresponding connection number of R1 line in the electrical control cabinet. Connect the same number to the motor end. Number location as shown in the diagram. Connect to RR line. Tighten and fix with tools. So the wiring of motor 1 is completed. Using the same procedure, connect group B wires to motor 2. These 3 wires of the electrical control cabinet are incoming wires. That's it.